Imagine waking up to a symphony of singing birds outside your window, their melodies filling the air with joy and tranquility. Picture vibrant feathers glistening in the morning sunlight as the birds flit from branch to branch, showcasing nature's beauty in its purest form. Their intricate songs, a blend of harmonious notes and rhythmic chirps, create a magical atmosphere that transports you to a peaceful state of mind. As you listen to the diverse tunes of different bird species, you can't help but marvel at the wondrous diversity of nature and the incredible talent these feathered creatures possess. Next time you hear the sweet melodies of singing birds, take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you and immerse yourself in the serenity they bring.